Key Security Systems presents a tech support video. How to change the battery in a PowerMaster Vanishing door contact. The MC-302V PG2. You will need one CR2032 battery per device and a small flathead screwdriver. First, we need to prise apart the two halves of the device. Insert a small flathead screwdriver into the small notch on the side of the sensor. Gently twist the screwdriver to pop the sensor off the mount. After removing the sensor from the bracket, you may receive a tamper alert from your alarm. You can unplug the telephone lead before you start. This will stop the system from calling anybody. Once you have completed the battery change, wait 5 minutes before plugging the telephone lead back in to ensure it has finished the calling cycle. Alternatively, if you do receive a phone call from the system, answer the call and press the number 2 on your phone's keypad to stop it calling the next number. The battery is located at the top of the unit. Simply pop the old battery out from the clips. The replacement battery is simply clipped into place observing the correct polarity. Replace the two halves back together ensuring that the plastic locating lugs are aligned and then snap it back together. Check the panel to make sure the amber trouble light has gone off. To learn more about the PowerMaster security system and other Visonic devices, please visit www.keysecuritysystemsltd.com.